Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with a new topic, that is integers from 6th class NCERT. Let's moving into the introduction. Integers. Before going into integers, we have to know about the numbers. Okay. First of all, numbers. We all know about numbers. Those are 1, 2, 3, 4 and etc. so on and infinity. These numbers are called natural numbers. In earlier classes, you already know about the numbers. Those are natural numbers. It is denoted by n. These are natural numbers. Coming to the whole numbers. Whole numbers. This is nothing but if we are adding 0 in front of the natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on infinity. It is called whole number. It is the name itself. It is telling it as a whole, total. So it is denoted with a W. Next, coming to the integers. Take integers. Here we are having 0 and positive numbers. If we are adding negative numbers also, like this, minus 4, here minus infinity, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. It is called integers. Integers are denoted with a Z. So these are the basic numbers we studied in our earlier classes, but we are going to now learn about the integers only. Let me show you a visual representation for the integers, then you will get the better understanding about the integers. Okay, let's start with the numbers. Those are natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. If we said it is a positive numbers, right? So here it is a positive numbers. So if we are adding with a positive number with a 0, we get a whole number. So let it be this box as a whole number. And this is natural numbers. Next, if we are adding negative numbers, so I am taking here negative box. So by adding these all because of negative numbers and a positive number with a 0, it means it is totally we get, it is said to be integers. See here we are having 0, 0, that is a whole number with a natural numbers. So this is natural number, here I am telling, and this is 0, it is combination of a whole number. So this box is said to be a whole number. If we are adding before 0 negative numbers with the zeros, we get a total box that is said to be integers. If you take natural numbers, we are already know how we are adding. 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. If you are adding 14 plus 13, it is 27. We know about the numbers addition and subtraction. Here we are going to learn about the integers, how we are denoting in a number line. Take a number line. It is said to be number line. That's made just with a 0, positive numbers at right side, positive numbers, and negative numbers at left side. So these are negative numbers. See here, this is 0 in between the number line. So let it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. If you take a left side number line, this is minus 1, this is minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 and etc. If you observe this, we are denoting with a 1, 2, 3, 4. There is no positive symbol in front of these numbers, but naturally we know that is a no indication at any number. See here, this is 5. It is resembles that this is plus 5. There is no need to representation plus here. If we are taking a negative number, we have to denote it with a negative symbol. Okay, we have to represent 2 in a number line. So that is a represent 2. So it resembles this is a plus 2. So there is no need to representation symbol for the plus. So it is a positive number. So we are denoting this number here. This is 2. If we are represent minus 6. So here we have minus symbol. So we have to represent this on a negative number line like this. Here If you observe this, we are using both positive numbers and negative numbers with the 0. Here 0 is not a positive number nor a negative number. So 0 is the middle number for the integers. Okay. Here if you take just example, here 0 is the least positive number. Here take 2 is bigger than 1. 3 is bigger than 2. 4 is bigger than 2. If you see 7 is bigger than 2, right? Similarly 7 is bigger than 6. If you take a negative number line here, -1 is the biggest negative number because of here -1 is bigger than -2, -3 is smaller than -2, -3 is bigger than the -4. If we are going through like this on left side with a negative symbol, the number reduces its value. See here, if you take -7 or a -1, we have to represent with a less than symbol or a greater than symbol. We have to measure it like this. So -1 is greater than the -7. If you take -100 with a -1, we get greater than in front of -1 because of -1 is the biggest negative number in a number line. Here +1 is the smallest number in a positive numbers, right? So similarly -1 is the biggest number in a negative numbers. So this is about this session about the introduction of integers. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box and click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.